Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on KuCoin. Neo has dropped at a very long-term support of a bearish pennant, and in today's video, we will analyze are we going to break it down or we can expect a reversal move from this support. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's move back to this weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that the price line uh, formed this bearish pennant, and the formation was started here in the month of Feb 2021 during this rally when we first tested this support here. Then we had almost 4 rejections here. Then we formed a double bottom at this support, and we had another rally, and we again had 2 touch points here, and we were again rejected. And during this move, we formed a double top at this resistance of the bearish pennant and moved down at the support of this bearish pennant once again. And for more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and this is the 7th week we are having accumulation at the support of the bearish pennant. At the same time, the price line is also dropped at a price level support of $22. If I place this trend line here at $22, then you can see in the previous history of Neo, this level, this $22 has been working as a very nice resistance and support. Like here, it has been working as a support for the several weeks when we broke it out, and before that, it was working as a very strong resistance. We were rejected here. We had another rejection, powerful rejection here. Once we broke it out for several weeks, we tested this previous resistance as a support. Then we had a next rally to the upside, and we found a resistance here and moved down again. And even before this, it had been working as a resistance here and as a support here. So we are exactly at that support. Therefore, there can be a possible reversal from the support of the bearish pennant and also the support, this price level support of $22 as well. Now, for example, if the price line moves at least up to this resistance, that will be approximately at $32 to $33. And for example, if we will have a breakout from this bearish pennant, then our first target can be here at this resistance that we have approximately at $50. And then our final target can be here approximately at $120. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame chart from this weekly time frame, then here we can also observe that during this down move, the price line has also found a resistance, and here we also have the support, and this is the formation of another down channel from this resistance to the support of the bearish pennant from here up to here. And right now, after getting bounced by this support of the channel, price line is not moving down even after this rejection and these two rejections. The price line is not moving down to test the support of this channel once again, because we have very strong support of $22 and the support of this bearish pennant as well. Now, for any big move, we need to break out this resistance. That will be the first step toward a bullish trend, and then the price line can reach up to this resistance here. And after breaking out this bearish pennant, we can start a further move to the upside. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.